Hey guys, back again. Is this gonna be a part of my vlog? I don't know. In one of my vlogs you saw that I was saying that I need to go to the grocery store. I have to clean my house. So right now I just got back from the store with my sister, ran a couple errands, went to the bank. Hey! I went to the store and did, I did a very small compra because I don't even know. Well, I hate to jump around from store to store to store, and that's pretty much where we live now, being a vegan. It's a little harder. We're a little further inland than Long Beach. Long Beach, I love Long Beach for the fact that they had so many places that had different, can you see me? That had different vegan options, which was wonderful. But living here now, it's a little more complicated. I have to go to like 3 or 4 different stores. So we just went to Walmart. I got like the kind of like staples, like milk and stuff. And then I'll probably go to El Super, maybe when David gets home, to get the veggies. I only prefer going to El Super because they're cheaper and I feel like they get their produce like pretty often, which is a good thing. So right now I'm at home. I am about to start cleaning. I got a green tea, but I feel like today the green tea is not as strong as it normally is, so I might just make some coffee. And that's what I should have gotten too. Maybe I'll go to Winco instead of El Super, because Winco's pretty good. Or maybe I'll just go to both. Because, see, now Winco has Cafe Bustelo. If you guys, I would recommend, if I'm not a coffee drinker like that, but if I do drink coffee, I prefer Cafe Bustelo. Bustelo was always in my household, being Cuban and Jamaican. Like, that was the coffee that we drank. So, Bustelo's good. But I need some more. So maybe we'll go to Winco later. I turned the air off and that was a bad idea. Today it's like 90 degrees. So I need to find a scrunchie and then maybe we'll do a quick clean with me. I need to open the windows and stuff. Anywho, maybe we'll just record and see how it goes. You okay? Should Mama turn on some music? You wanna listen to Chris Brown? And I needed trash bags. What was I doing at the store? So you send Shayna and I to the store and completely forget. Okay, I'm gonna find a scrunchie. I'm gonna turn some music on, right? And we're gonna get to cleaning. I actually need to ask her for my floor cleaner back. Or yeah, maybe the bottle, and I'll just make my own concoction. Yeah? Mama's gonna clean. Mama's gonna clean. Yeah. Yeah. I'm hot. Maybe I should change my shirt too. Okay, let's get it going.